So check out this beautiful Lobivia flower. I really like this one. This is one of the favorites so far this year. Not big. The size is a factor that, is to be improved. But apart from this, look at the flower. This is a fantastic color. I can't even tell what the parents are that are involved here. My personal guess is that it is Asterix, but I need to take it out of the pot to look at the label. And I wanted to record a video first, just in case, you never know what happens. Maybe the flower breaks off, so I wanted to record it first. So let's have a look.